Synthesis Energy Systems Incorporated is a clean energy firm that develops, manufactures, and owns clean energy projects. The company has market cap of $37.64 million. The firm owns gasification technology, which it utilizes to provide technology licenses and equipment to clients in the energy and chemical industries. It currently has negative earnings. The firm operates through divisions, including CES China, technology licensing and related services, and corporate. Among 15 analysts covering Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX, 6 have buy rating, 2 sell and 7 hold. Therefore 40% are positive. Keryx Biopharmaceuticals has $18 highest and $1.80 lowest target. $9.10 seconds average target is 78.08% above current's $5.11 stock price. Keryx Biopharmaceuticals had 35 analyst reports since July 23, 2015 according to SRatingsIntel. The stock of Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX, has buy rating given on Thursday, August 6 by Maxim Group. JMP Securities maintained it with market outperform rating and $16 target in Wednesday, March 9 report. Morgan Stanley initiated Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX, rating on Thursday, August 13. Morgan Stanley has underweight rating and $3 target. The stock of Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX, earned sell rating by BTIG Research on Thursday, August 6. As per Monday, August 10, the company rating was downgraded by Roth Capital. The firm has buy rating by Maxim Group given on Thursday, February 25. As per Thursday, September 3, the company rating was initiated by Citigroup. The stock has buy rating by Maxim Group on Wednesday, November 9. The rating was maintained by Maxim Group on Friday, July 8 with buy. The rating was maintained by TH Capital with buy on Thursday, July 23. Prescott Group Capital Management LLC holds 0.59% of its portfolio in Synthesis Energy Systems Incorporated for 4.17 million shares. National Asset Management Incorporated owns 309,200 shares, or 0.04% of their U.S. portfolio. Moreover, Bank of America Corporation has 0% invested in the company for 100,000 shares. The New York-based Bank of New York Mellon Corporation has invested 0% in the stock. BlackRock Incorporated, a New York-based fund, reported 212,652 shares. The stock increased 2.38%, or 1 cent on November 7, reaching 43 cents. About shares traded. Synthesis Energy Systems Incorporated, SYMX, has declined 19.00% since November 8, 2016 and is downtrending. It is underperformed by 35.70% the S&P 500. Keryx Biopharmaceuticals Incorporated is a biopharmaceutical firm focused on the development of medicines for people with renal disease. The company has market cap of $611.56 million. The firm is engaged in the manufacture, development, and commercialization of products for use in treating human diseases. It currently has negative earnings. The company's marketed product, Auryxia, which is an orally available, absorbable, iron medicine, is approved in the United States for the control of serum phosphorus levels in patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD, on dialysis. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.97 in Q2 2017. It's up 0.66 from 1.31 in 2017 Q1. It improved as 11 investors sold Keryx Biopharmaceuticals shares, while 18 reduced holdings. 18 funds opened positions, while 39 raised stakes. 76.46 million shares, or 15.57% more from 66.16 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. D.E. Shaw & Company stated it has 0% in Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX. POINT 72 Asset MNGMT Limited Partnership, a Connecticut-based fund, reported 1.55 million shares. Korea Limited Liability Corporation accumulated 20,800 shares, or 0.02% of the stock. Baptist Group Limited Liability MA, a Massachusetts-based fund, reported 25.79 million shares. The Florida-based Raymond James Serve Advisors has invested 0% in Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX. Pekin Singer Strauss Asset MGMTL stated it has 30,000 shares, or 0.03% of all its holdings. Architects Incorporated stated it has 282 shares. Gemmer Asset MGMT Limited Company has 0% invested in Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX. 46,018 are owned by Nationwide Fund Advisor. Captrust Financial invested in 0% or 750 shares. Manufacturers Life Company that has invested 0% of its portfolio in Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX. Voya MNGMT Limited Liability Corporation owns 38,137 shares, or 0% of their U.S. portfolio. Consonance MNGMT LP has invested 5.97% in Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX. Bank of Montreal Can has invested 0% in Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX. Moores & Cabot reported 0.01% of its portfolio in Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX. About 5,926 shares traded. Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, NASDAQ KERX, has risen 13.56% since November 8, 2016 and is uptrending. It is underperformed by 3.14% the S&P 500.